Well, I just picked up my next project. I am still waiting on parts for that Makita. I'll tell you what, replacement parts sucks. I ordered parts 2 weeks ago, and for a week they've been sitting in Hutchins, Texas. And they keep telling me it's because of bad weather. And I said, I live 3 hours from Hutchins, Texas, maybe 3.5. Their weather is not bad. My weather's not bad. There's no inclement weather here in the deep south. Anyway, so that's on the back burner till I get all my parts. And I've decided that I'm going to keep that one. I may do some polishing and porting on it, and a muffler mod, and turn it into my racing saw. In the meantime, I've had 2 saws that I've bought for $5 each. Well, actually, no. One I got as a trade-in, and I knocked $5 off the price of the saw I was selling, so I got that for $5. And the other one was a Poland that I got for $10. So I gave $200 and the yellow Poland for this. It does not start. It's got low hours, less than 200. And you know, you can verify that by looking at the deck. You see how none of the paint, there's no scratches, there's no dents where you would normally rub up against stuff. The tires look good. The floor mats where you put your feet don't look wore out. Where you put your feet in and out of this hair cross through, there's no worn paint. So, oh, and it came with a bagger. This works. You see the front of this? It's got some marks on it, but normally these are the first things to go. All the paint looks good, and he can't figure out why it won't turn over. And you know, I have this internal battle. Do I help people or do I buy it from them and fix it? You know, I was going to tell the guy, well, did you check? And I shut my mouth because there's some things you check, you know, the seat switch, the brake switch, the PTO switch, you know, with the solenoid, and then the ignition module. And that's what I'll be doing tomorrow. I'll be rolling this off of here, rolling it into my little shop of horrors over there, and checking it out, and you'll be a part of it. See you tomorrow. Get some sleep. It's going to be a busy day tomorrow.